Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to have a look at some of the pre-checks you need to do before starting your vehicle and head off for a journey. You can use these two words in order to remind you of what to check. You can use the word power and you can use the word force. On power, P stands for petrol. O stands for oil. This has something to do with all the oils that are available. Engine oil, transmission oil, the brake fluid, the power steering fluid, all that oils have to be checked, and O is a reminder of that. W stands for water. It has to do with the cooling system. Check the condition of the cooling system, coolant level, and all that things related to the cooling system. E has to do with electricity. On this phase, we are going to see the condition of the battery, the connections, how clean it is, how clean the top surface of the battery is, and all those critical electrical connections have to be checked. And finally, we have R. R stands for rubber. Rubber includes all the tires. Make sure that they are in good shape. Make sure that they are well inflated. Pressure level have to be seen, and make sure that they are good threaded. So tires are included under rubber. Any leads that are available can also be included under rubber. For example, oil filler neck lead, any sealing caps, any cap holdings, and any leads that are available in the engine can be included under rubber. Same thing is true for the word force. F stands for fuel. You have to see the fuel level and make sure that the fuel that is available is sufficient for your desired trip. F stands for fuel. O stands for oil. All those lubricants and all those fluids, their level have to be checked. R stands for rubber. C stands for coolant, and E stands for electricity. So these are some of the basic checks that you need to do every time you start your vehicle in the morning or every time you're planning to embark a journey. By doing so, you can make sure the condition of the vehicle, make sure that all the rubbers and the belts and all those are in good shape. That will help you have a safe journey and safe drive. Let's go into this detail and let's see some of the checks that we are going to do on this Isuzu truck. Well, the first thing that you should check is the amount of fuel that is available. You can use the word force in order to remind you what you need to check, or you can use the word power. P stands for petrol, F stands for fuel. So the first thing you have to check is the amount of fuel available inside your vehicle. In order to check the amount of vehicle, simply go into the vehicle and turn the ignition switch on. Now it is somewhere halfway. For example, this Isuzu truck can travel 300 kilometers with half tank of fuel. So the first thing you should check is fuel. The remaining checks are to be done under the hood. For example, check the coolant level. Right here there is a radiator. You can open the radiator and see the amount of coolant available. See, it's full. On some of the vehicles it can be checked on the expansion tank. For example, this particular vehicle has an expansion tank here. Here is the maximum value and here is the minimum value. It is connected to the radiator, as you can see. And then proceed to checking the oil level. Here is the dipstick for the engine oil level. Remove it out and see the amount of oil available. It should be within those two dots. As you can see, we have enough amount of oil on this particular vehicle. Then proceed to checking the brake fluid level. Here is the minimum value and here is the maximum for the brake fluid, and as you can see we are somewhere here. Good to go. Steering fluid, there is the maximum value and there is the minimum. A little above the maximum value we have the steering fluid here. electricity. On this phase, we are going to see the condition of the battery, the connections, how clean it is, how clean the top surface of the battery is, and all those critical electrical connections have to be checked. And finally, we have R. R stands for rubber. Rubber includes all the tires. Make sure that they are in good shape. Make sure that they are well inflated. Pressure level have to be seen. And make sure that they are good stretched. So tires are included under rubber. Any leads that are available can also be included under rubber. For example, oil filler neck lead, any sealing caps, any cap holdings, and any leads that are available in the engine can be included under rubber.